Well, good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's doing good. So we're gonna get started back on this LA or LB. Let's see. We're just gonna try it first like that. I have no idea what I'm doing. So here's what we had to do on the carburetor. They don't make this piece no more. You have to buy it used. This one was, the threads were gone, so Dad wanted to do it, so I let him do it. Put like a gasket sealer on the inside, and then some kind of epoxy that is resistant to gas. I found this fitting at Lowe's. No, I don't remember what it is. A bushing, another fitting, gas line, fuel filter, and then the regular check valve. We're just going to stick this in a tank just to see if it will work, and go from there. Freeze plug, I need to do that before I put in gas. We're just going to flip it over. See about that freeze plug. Oh, I need some oil. I need some oil too. Rusted out. Freeze plug. That little plug right there. It's designed to freeze and, well, bust that instead of the block. I'll show you some other cool stuff I got. So here's the new freeze plug. I guess it just hammers in. I don't know. Doing a lot of this for the first time. There it went. There it went. Boy, oh boy. Y'all can see that or not. A lot of sediment in there. That's probably why it froze. Let's see if I can get this new one back in there. I guess it just hammers in there. Oh, there it went. I think. Okay, good. All right. Here's the carb, or the choke assembly. Bolt for that, gasket for that, like so. Here is our carburetor connection here. That goes like so. Let me get down here on the ground. Keep all this from binding somehow. It's just a temporary thing. We'll get a tank later. Maybe. This is mainly just to see if it's gonna run. Alright, so we need a spark plug wire. So I went to Flywheel Supply, and I got this real cool. I had to call them. they say you need a 9mm for this style engine. So I had to buy the little end here, the boots. I just got a couple feet of it, but that looks really good. Once we get it painted up, that'll look really good. And they got about any color you can imagine. Got the terminal screws on to the like that. Find another end. So we're going to take the vice grips and crimp this down where it holds. This plugs into the magneto. Alright, so we got this crimped on there. It looks pretty good. A mag or so. Not much for the end. So the end will be about right here. Yeah, that'll be good. Get some crimpers. Crimp it on. Maybe that'll work. We'll see. So we got another spark plug in off of another one here. Maybe it's the right size. Hopefully. Now, right there. That'll work for now. We're going to try this spark plug just to see. Then uphill. That's better. We got gas. We got oil. We got spark. We got water. There's only one thing left to do. Let's try it. I gotta move some stuff first so I don't fall. I'm gonna get it there. That's halfway. That's about where it says to go. Let's give her a try here. Man, it is warm for November. That noise, just that, it's like it's not a full pop. I don't know. sound right. That. Oh my. Let's check this one right here. Pulling in good. Pulling in good. Ain't pushing out good. Good suction. Alright, well, excuse me. I'm gonna have to take this head back off and take that felt back off. Go in here and get those pieces of felt out. I should have looked at my other engine before doing all this, but I didn't, so let me do that. I'll be back. Alright, I got to drain the water out. I'll show you here. And the book is not that. I mean, it kind of is, it kind of ain't. But for my first engine, I mean, this is as far as I've got in all these engines. I'm going to take the valves back out. Look, there's a bone. From something. From the water jacket. Probably need to be out of there anyway. So now, what's in here, I put in here was some of this felt. While I'm at it, I got that little itty bitty little nail. It's a valve keeper. This is what I wasn't real sure about. Is this little felt. It actually shows it on the inside of the head. Not in here. But on my other one, you can see, looking through the exhaust, you can see that. I think it goes down inside this cap, but I don't know. I think you gotta take the sleeve, yeah, right there it is. There's the little felt. You gotta knock that sleeve out, the valve keeper, and put that in there. But okay, I should have looked a little more in depth. But right here, right on the edge, right underneath this metal cap between the sleeve there, the keeper, the valve keeper, is this little felt. So lesson learned, don't need that. Lesson learned. That just slides in there like that. Nothing don't. Anyway. Lesson learned. Hey, for the first time doing one of these, I think I'm doing an alright job. Let's see if I can find something off another one. Alright, there's that one. Over here, get this one. I'm an idiot. I mean, I don't know if that has anything to do with it, y'all, but my other one ain't like it. It may not allow it to fully seat. You know what I'm saying? So, I should have looked at my other one first. I did not. There. This is for the inside of that. That's trash. Now, put this on. No, right there. Yeah, that goes there. Alright. Put it all back together. Jesus.